is up, you guys? It's me again, and today's video we have a big box over here, and you guys are probably wondering, ooh, what's in the box? So let's just get right into this. Just kidding, I'll just tell you what's inside. So obviously, guys, it was my 18th birthday last time, and then my mom was like, do you want the typical 18th birthday with roses? And I was like, yeah, I want that. But she was like, or do you just want to get something more practical? I was like, laptop. Okay, so like we bought it here at SM at OCTAGON. So let's get our scissors and open this baby up. So I'm not going to destroy the box because like if there's something wrong with the laptop, we have to like, we can still return it if this box is not broken. We're opening it! Alright, let's go mga sis. Today ni siya, guys. I am currently unboxing an Asus. Yes. Dog! Hey, this is my cat. It's called Miai. Dogu. Mingkai. They're here in the vlog. Welcome to the vlog, my beautiful children. Okay, back to the video. The first thing na ako i-pull out is yay! So the first thing is this backpack. Tuf gaming. Oh, it's gaming laptop, guys. Okay, let's just take everything out so that this box will go there. Ay, merong. This is what it looks like. Open it up. Pinakubali siya. It's so heavy. This is what it looks like, guys. Tuf gaming. Bahalagway uyab basa na kay laptop. Okay, so this is the laptop. Let's put it here. Inside the box, we have the 2-year warranty card. What you call it? So it says on this thingy majigs, says Tuf Gaming HDMI first edition, March 2019. Okay, so this is the charger. This is the charger, guys. Ito yun. This is the last thing inside the box. Okay, so ito na lang i-connectaan. Oh, yun na yun, guys. This is how the charge looks. Okay, so also when we got this, the seller made us choose like, do you want the 2000 gaming accessories, which I really wanted, or a portable drive. So like my tito was like, what do you want? I was like, I want the 2000 accessories, and then he was like, but I thought you were gonna like edit videos, have bigger files, and I was like, yeah. And then I thought the laptop was like enough to store all those, and I was like, yeah, you're right. So like we got this. It is a expansion portable drive, and still haven't opened it. We also still bought it at OCTAGON. Plus, we also bought a antivirus Casper Sky. Anyway, it has nice texture. So, the grand finale. Let us open the baby. Okay. Please don't fall. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, guys. Turn it on. Wow. Wow, it's purple, guys. Sure ko lang, I really like purple back then, but now I like any color would do. Whoa, is it? It's glowing at the back. Wait lang, let me show you. Oh my gosh. I'm so what, guys, sorry. It's glowing at the back. Can you see? Guys, so let's tuyok again. This is what's on the screen. Can you makita? Basta yun na yun. Okay. Mura to siya, guys. I don't know what else I should be showing you because like I probably should have watched an unboxing video so like I can tell you what the specs are and stuff. So like I'm so sorry, but hey, this is a gift for my 18th birthday in exchange for having the no 18 roses and candles in exchange for this laptop. It's a gift from my mom. Maraming salamat po sa nag-sponsor na video na ito, Charlam. Mura to guys, muna to siya. This is the end of the unboxing, I guess. Yeah, this is the end of the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!